Spanish flag, 500,000 more Spanish citizens, ship owner. Many ship owners used to have coffee with salt, that is Spanish flag with English. Yes, well, they have this kind of like policy issue in Northern Europe that no one is going to change, rating it must be Filipinos. Yeah, well, I never thought that I could speak Spanish. Hola, buenos días, aprende español. Sí, porque es 25% más competitivo, 25% more competitive. So, if you have really someone very intelligent within your company, then why don't you put Spanish flag? What type of ships are more friendly to this? Because we have huge problems of bureaucracy in Spain. Yes, the merchant marine in Spain is in Madrid. There is no salt there, so therefore the fleet is like shrinking to 100 ships. Soon it will be 99. LNGs are flying away. One of the reasons is because they put this salt in the coffee, which is English to the Spanish flag. And so, well, I hope they really learned about this. But now it is a huge opportunity with these 500,000 new citizens to put Spanish flag ships. Which ones are very friendly? General cargo, bunker, chemical, cabotage ships, bulk carriers, little ferries, high-speed craft, and perhaps offshore units, but little offshore units. Why? The Spanish administration has improved a lot within the working permits. Now we can issue working permits. They have something like 5 billion years light to learn about endorsements, but perhaps one day soon they will have no ships and a huge administration, and one person within the administration will give a positive idea. Yes, today I'm turning 60, so I'm very positive that one day the Spanish administration will help. Because we are having ship owners contacting Candina, container ships around the Spain feeders. There are something like 250 container ships. Imagine we could give something like 30 jobs on and off the crew. So 30 times 250, let me see how many families, 250 times 30 crew. That's 7,500 Spanish families, direct jobs plus indirect jobs. And you always know the intrinsic value multiplied by 11, then how much this would generate jobs in Spain, in the coast of Spain. And this is bonito, this is beautiful. Sí, por favor. Learn Spanish, dear ship owner. Just don't put salt in the coffee, you see? And why not think that not only in Spain, also America, it is going to be Spanish speaking very soon, as we saw in the Super Bowl, Puerto Rico. Muy bien, maravilloso. Therefore, think positive, dear ship owner. 25% more competitive. And perhaps you need to employ some crew manager that knows a little Spain. Yeah, why not? Because we have Venezuela, Cuba, El Salvador, Ecuador, Colombia, huge population in Spain, Panama, Honduras, which one? Argentina, Chile, all the Latin countries is about 300 million inhabitants, Mexico. Yeah, and then we have also Moroccans that are starting to learn Spanish. Why? Because I believe soon some people will start talking Espanol. Yes, thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Administración, ayuda, ayuda, ayuda. Please, the Spanish administration help regarding endorsements. Working permits, done 24 hours. Now we can have these 500,000 joining the Spanish flag, really general cargo type 6. We could go LNG, we could go LPG, we could go more chemical, we could go more offshore, but we need dynamic positioning, we need chemical courses and specialized courses, merchant marine, please. Now, the fleet is 99 ships, very small, and there is a huge population of government workers, so why don't we do something positive? And this would be happy birthday to me making 60 years today, so it would be nice to see like 75,000 ships in this planet, all Spanish flag, hablando español, yes. Why? Because the rest of the countries have copied what we have done. Why? Because we are closer to the others. Thank you very much indeed. Feeder type ships, contact us, because if you think you can hablar español, go and help your country. Bye.